The relocation raises significant concerns about potential job losses, threatening the stability of local economies that have depended on John Deere for generations. Workers and communities are understandably worried about their futures. As technology advances in agriculture, farmers increasingly rely on sophisticated machinery, posing challenges for those who may lack the expertise to operate such equipment. This transition complicates the dynamics of traditional farming. The trend toward outsourcing mirrors a larger pattern in the corporate landscape, where companies aim to cut costs and tap into global talent. However, this approach breeds mistrust and raises concerns regarding reliability within the agricultural sector. Transferring key production lines to Mexico alarmed farming communities that depended on John Deere for economic stability and employment opportunities. This decision intensified anxieties about the future of American manufacturing. Layoffs triggered economic disruptions, leading to increased unemployment rates that impacted not only factory workers, but also local businesses reliant on their incomes. This created a ripple effect of financial strain throughout the community. Farmers and workers expressed feelings of betrayal as their trust in John Deere diminished, raising questions about the company's motives and commitment to their welfare. This discontent galvanized a collective determination for community accountability and change. The decline in consumer spending has severely affected local businesses, leading to diminished economic activity and heightened uncertainty among residents regarding their livelihoods. Farmers face increasing restrictions due to software locks on machinery, hampering their ability to repair and modify equipment, thereby fostering dependency on authorized dealers. In response to corporate control, legal actions and legislative movements are emerging as farmers unite to advocate for their right to repair equipment, challenging the status quo. Colorado has taken the lead in enacting legislation that mandates agricultural manufacturers to provide farmers with the necessary tools and information for independent repairs. This shift significantly enhances farmers' autonomy. Growing tensions between farming communities and corporations have sparked frequent protests, underscoring the need for accountability and change. These demonstrations have garnered media attention, amplifying the voices of farmers. Investigative reports indicate that John Deere prioritizes shareholder profits over employee welfare, diverting significant funds away from local investments. This raises critical questions about corporate responsibility and its impact on local communities. Legal rulings in favor of farmers and independent repair shops have mandated corporations like John Deere to provide essential resources for maintenance, marking a significant win for consumer rights. This movement has inspired legislative changes across various industries, promoting consumer rights to repair and modify equipment. Such a shift encourages transparency and fosters more ethical corporate practices. As farmers gain greater autonomy, independent repair shops flourish, bolstering local economies and revitalizing struggling communities. This transformation plays a crucial role in restoring economic activity. The effective implementation of right-to-repair laws has allowed farmers to regain control, prompting reflection on the implications of these achievements for local businesses and leading to a reevaluation of operational strategies. Local entrepreneurship has thrived as independent repair shops flourish, providing economic relief and reinforcing community solidarity against corporate dominance. These establishments have become vital hubs of support and collaboration. A renewed emphasis on sustainability and local manufacturing has emerged, promoting environmental stewardship and economic stability within communities. Farmers are adopting eco-friendly techniques, integrating them with their newfound autonomy. Consumer advocacy groups play a crucial role in pushing for reforms that safeguard the interests of both farmers and consumers, highlighting the importance of legal protections. Legislative bodies and regulatory agencies are essential for monitoring corporate practices to prevent overreach, actively refining policies to address emerging challenges, and protect consumer rights. The right to repair movement has sparked consumer empowerment across various industries, emphasizing the need for accountability and autonomy in our interconnected world.